What is that? A Miura? Incredible, it's a wreck.
Still here after all these years. The paint's seen better days. What a beauty you were.
Good afternoon. A pleasure to meet you. Likewise, she's been waiting for someone like you. She's magnificent. May I take a closer look? Of course, she's dusty, but all original.
This is my 1967 Lamborghini Miura P400, a true hypercar. She's beautiful. What happened? Life got in the way. I had to abandon her.
It's heartbreaking to see her like this. Sir, I've admired your Miura for years. May I offer to buy it? It's been in my family a long time. Why do you want it? To restore it. Give it a second life. All right, you have a deal.
She's a real beauty, isn't she? She is. A real classic. Has she been here long? Since '67. She was my pride and joy.
I can see that. She'll be in good hands.
Thank you.
1967 Miura, abandoned for years by the look of it. Tires are shot, rusted to the rims. Body's seen better days. This rust is deep. What a shame. Easy now, don't scratch her. She's holding up.
There she goes. What a beauty. Take care of her.
Whoa, is that a Miura? Abandoned barn find, all yours. Look at that dust, amazing.
All right, let's get these ramps down. Got it. Releasing the hydraulics now. Easy does it. Watch the angle. Ramps are down. Let's loosen the chains. Right. Starting on the binders. Easy now. Watch the front.
Got it. Suspension's holding.
Almost there. Steady. Clear. She's down. Body panels are dusty, but the structure is solid. Engine bay is rusted. Carburetors need a full rebuild. Let's check the frame for alignment. Right, I'll get the laser. All right, bringing her up slow. Look at that rust. It's seen better days. Steady. We'll get her back. This rust is deep, but we're getting there. Yeah, keep the pressure steady. Watch for weak spots. Got it. Almost through this layer.
Aligning the wheel to the hub. Now torquing to spec. Okay, lowering it in. Watch the lines.
Got it. Steady.
Aligning with the mounts.
Perfect. Almost there.
Paint thickness is perfect. Uniform across the hood. Panel gaps are exact. Flashlight shows no unevenness. Confirmed, no orange peel or runs. Alignment is spot on. This car is ready.
Paint depth is spot on. Perfect consistency. Good. Checking panel gaps now. Let me know if you see any variance. They're perfect. No more than 2 millimeter. Welcome to our restoration workshop. This is where the magic happens. Let me show you one of our latest projects. This beautiful green Miura is almost ready for the road. Here she is, the 1967 Miura P400, fully restored. Incredible. The paint is flawless. It's a work of art. We matched the original Bertone finish. It's perfect. You brought her back to life. Thank you. She's all ready for you, sir. Wonderful. She looks magnificent. Let's see how she feels. Enjoy the drive, sir.